welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. This project has been going on forever, since August 19th of 2018. Yeah, it's been a hot minute. There is no end in sight anytime soon. I am attempting to pan a product for every single episode of Supernatural that ever aired. I love the show. I'm sad that it is off air now, but 15 seasons. I'm in season 5. It's gonna be going on for a while. We are doing 6 episodes and products at a time. As you finish panning one product, and it can be to finish, to set a goal, to hit pan, whatever you choose. Once you reach your goal, roll that out, roll in the next episode and a product that represents that episode. This is open to anyone that wants to join in. There have been a bunch of people that have joined in. They're going to be listed down below. You may hear my puppy. She's moving around back there somewhere. I actually have a rollout this time, and I'm very happy for that. So I guess let's start with that one first. This was for the episode, I Believe the Children Are Our Future. It is very fantasy based. There were murders and stuff, but they were all based in fantasy. Oh, puppies. She's whining. I think she misses her brother. So I chose the Essence Fairy Wings and Magical Things palette because it's all very fantasy based. And I was working on Once Upon a Time to hit pan, and I have done that. I'm very happy that I have. These pans are a lot deeper than I remembered them being. I only have pan on 2 other shadows in here, but yeah, they're pretty deep. I'm not sure how big they are. I don't know if it says. It does not say. It just has the whole palette weight. And I'm not going to math here on camera. So that is rolling out. I will be rolling in a new episode and a new product to work on at the very end, after I go through the stuff that is continuing on. All right, in order that it came in, first is the episode Free to Be You and Me. In that particular episode, Sam decides that he wants to stop hunting. And I chose the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. The shade is Hunts. And I might have used it once or twice since the last update, but the product is going to be around a while. It's super pigmented. And I was working in the center, but now I think I'm going to work on the edge. My dog is chasing her tail. If you hear weird sounds, it's because she's chasing her tail and catching it. So anyway, yeah, I've got baby progress on that. It's going to be in here for a while. But again, I was panning tons of orangey shades, and that one was backburnered because this project doesn't have an end date. There's no pressure, and that's part of the reason why I like it. All right, moving on to Fallen Idols. That episode is hysterical. It is one of their... It's serious yet campy at the same time. And there is a cameo by Paris Hilton in there. And she kicks some booty. I will tell you, she does kick some booty, and it's kind of embarrassing. I chose the ColourPop Glitter Gel in That's Hot. And my goal was to use it 5 times. I have used it 3 times. If you see me sparkling, it's this. And my puppy's going crazy over here. Hopefully I can get 2 more uses by the next update, because I want to try to have a rollout every single update, or at least some major progress. All right, so that is going to continue on. The next one, The Curious Case of Dean Winchester. In this episode, they're playing poker for years on their life. It doesn't go well. They age fast, and it's not pretty. So I chose an Anti-Aging Thing. This is the Naturally Serious Get Even Cold Press Peel Pads. And I do really like these, but I have not been able to use them for the last like 2.5 weeks. I do have some progress on them. Hopefully you can see that there are down there. But there's something in my routine that has been really irritating my skin. And I'm like getting dry and flaky all over my face and neck and everything. So I think it's something in my skincare. You hear the dog over there? And I'm kind of like peely right in here, and even like on my eye, like my brow bone area. So I'm gonna like cut everything out of my skincare routine and use something that I was using on vacation. It was completely different stuff because it was, you know, trial size, deluxe size, or whatever. And I had no problems when I was on vacation. So I'm going to go back to all that, and I'm going to introduce things one at a time, like for a week at a time, to see if I can pinpoint what is irritating my skin. And this is going to be on the back burner. I'm going to keep it in the project for now, unless I discover that that is a problem. Like, I don't mind peeling, especially since these are daily peel pads, but I have not used these since I have been back from my vacation, almost a week now, and I started peeling again. So I think it's something in my skincare, but I don't want to make things worse with this. So that is on the back burner. All right, next is the episode Changing Channels. That episode was absolutely hysterical. The whole thing was funny from start to finish. One of my favorite episodes that I watch over and over and over again. They're stuck in the television show. They go from show to show, and once they meet the goal of each show, they play their part or whatever, then they move on to the next show. It is so funny. One of the shows that they are in is a Japanese game show called The Nutcracker. It is not this kind of Nutcracker. So if you're a male, it's that kind of Nutcracker. It's not good. It is so not good. So I chose this, and I think I just stuck my finger in the wet nail polish on the side. This is a hazelnut Nutcracker spray. I'm making some progress here. I am down at this white line. I was at silver, and it's slow going, but I am working on it. I have a lot of fragrances going on right now, and you know how it goes. Last one, I didn't touch it all, but I'll show you what it is. This is for the episode The Real Ghostbusters. Another absolutely hysterical episode. Season 5, 3, 4, and 5, they're my favorites. They're the best seasons, and I love them. There's a lot of camp, and that is right up my alley. So for The Real Ghostbusters, Sam and Dean are at a convention. There's some supernatural things happening, hence the whole show Supernatural. So I chose Circle of Salt because it actually was used in this particular episode. It is this shade right here. I've not used it at all. Again, I was on vacation and I was not taking a whole palette for one shade. So I kept things very neutral, very minimal while I was on vacation. So that brings us to the next episode that I'm getting ready to roll in. This one's tricky. This was a very serious episode, which it worked out that the 2 previous episodes were pretty campy and light, because Abandon All Hope is a super serious action, scary kind of episode. And in this particular episode, Sam, Dean, and Castiel are chasing after Lucifer to kill him. Like, the whole episode is about finding Lucifer and killing him, because I mean, he's Lucifer. He's bad news, you know. It's Lucifer. So I chose, of course, I chose an eyeshadow. Don't I always choose eyeshadows? This is the Essence I Like the Malvet palette, even though it's all worn off. And I am going to be working on the shade Catching, which is this matte gray, medium matte gray here at the bottom, because they're chasing after him to catch him and kill him. So, and it's so hard to find makeup or beauty products that can fit with such a serious dire theme. So I was just doing the best I could, and Catching is about as good as it gets. Hopefully it's not going to take me too horribly long to hit pan on that. There's some disturbance there. I have used it a few times, but not much. But I will say that these Essence pants are not very deep, but it's also not a preferred color. So we're just going to have to wait and see how it goes. I should have pictures of everything on the screen for this whole thing, so you can see what everything is, progress I've made or not made, as the case may be in some of these. But that is everything for this update. I really hope that I get to roll in something new for the next update, because the next one is Sam Interrupted, which is like the namesake for this project, which is Pan Interrupted for Sam Interrupted. And I already have my product picked. I've had it since day one in 2018. It's something I've been wanting to work on, and I've been saving it specifically for this episode. So I cannot wait. Hopefully I will have a rollout and I can roll something in specifically for that episode. I'm excited about it. If you want to join in, if you like Supernatural, if you like panning, feel free to join in. This is a completely no pressure kind of project. It goes on and on and on forever and a day. But if you do join in, let me know down in the comments so I can put you in my description box and other people can find you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.